Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be installing a virtual machine on a flash drive. No, not this flash drive. This flash drive is too important actually. Yeah, no, this is not being... You aren't being tortured, sir. You're safe. Don't worry. Instead, we're going to be grabbing you. You're cooked. You're actually cooked. It could have been him, but no. You're cooked. Okay, let's plug this in. I'm gonna stop personifying flash drives. That sounds kind of weird. So the first thing we have to do is open up File Explorer, and then what we gotta do is we've gotta go into this PC. We've gotta go into our Windows 10 9909 thing, and we're going to format the drive. Oh wait, this was using the 9909. Dang, that's strange. Okay, we're gonna be calling this S. I don't really know what to call it, so it's getting the drive label of S. Is it done? I don't know if it's done. I don't think it's done. There we go, now it's done. That took a long time, what the heck? Alright, so now we've got a empty flash drive, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a virtual machine on it. So let me open up VMware. For this virtual machine, we are going to be installing Windows 7 because, well, that's an operating system. And we're going to be installing it on a flash drive. And when I mean on a flash drive, I mean the virtual machine files itself will be on a flash drive. Now, I do want to install Windows on a flash drive, but I'll do that later in a future video. So right now, we're just going to be running a VM on a flash drive. A flash drive will probably suffer with this, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be creating a brand new virtual machine. Let's make it a typical virtual machine, obviously. And we will be installing the operating system later. Setting this to Windows 7 64 bits. Yeah, sure. Wait, no, we gotta go back. Browse. Alright, so now where we want to do it is we want to go into our flash drive. And we want to save it there. We want to save it exactly there. Next. And we're going to give it not 60 gigs. We're going to give it 20 gigs. We're going to be giving it 20 gigabytes. And we're going to be giving it... The RAM is going to be probably running off of so we're going to give it 4 gigs of RAM. 1 CPU core. And we're going to be putting in our ISO image. So let's grab our ISO image. We are going to go over to there, Windows 7 all-in-one, x86, x64, and then we're going to be clicking close, finish, and as you can see, it will now try to create. Okay, it should show up now. We're going to refresh. There it is. There is the files. Now what we're going to do is we're going to full screen this, and we're going to start up the virtual machine, and we're going to put it into free stretch mode. So obviously the virtual machine is probably going to lag. Let's find out. Things are going very well. Oh boy. Okay, so let's feel the flash drive. How warm is it getting? It's not that warm right now, but soon it will be warm. Also, I think it's not lagging right now because we haven't exactly put anything onto the storage yet. So, yeah, because we're booting off of the ISO right now. So that's not exactly going into here. So what we have to do is once we click next where it installs, it will do that. So I'll be back once we're in the installer. Okay, I really don't know why I opened up the command prompt of all things. Why did you open the command prompt? I want to get to the installer. It rebooted. That is awesome. Windows is loading files. And okay, I'll be back once we're back in the installer. Welcome back. We are now back in the setup. There we go. Next, install now. Setup is starting. Okay, the setup is starting. Okay, so the version of Windows we're going to do is Home Premium. Accept license terms. Next, custom install. And this is where it's going to crash out. Let's click next. And oh boy, you can already see it's taking its time. And now, we are copying files, everyone. We are copying. Oh, there we go. There it goes. It's lagging. It's lagging. It's really, really lagging. So yeah. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna survive. Let's see how warm the flash drive is. See, and the entire virtual machine will crash if we unplug it. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna unplug the flash drive while it's running the VM to see what exactly will happen. Actually, instead of unplugging it, I'm gonna eject it because I don't really want it to corrupt anything. Although, I mean, the most that it could corrupt is actually, the worst that could happen is the NTFS partition just gets completely cooked. So I will click the eject button before unplugging it. But I really want to unplug it. Yeah, you know what? We're going to take the risk and we're going to unplug the flash drive because it's going to be really, really funny. So, yeah. Alright, we are here. Awesome PC name. Home network. And after that, we will be unplugging. Let's see how warm the flash drive is. It's actually not that warm. Wow. Alright, we are logging in. So I'll be back once we're logged in. Alright, it's back. And now time to do the craziest part. We're going to be unplugging the flash drive. So let's unplug it. And wow, the VM just crashed. That's it. It just crashed. And okay, now we're gonna close VMware, plug the flash drive back in, and see if it corrupted. It probably did corrupt, so yeah. But I want to make sure it's fine. Oh, I heard the connecting sound. But does it show up? I'm going to open up File Explorer once again. Or attempt to open up File Explorer. Okay, we are in File Explorer. This PC. It is showing up. It is somehow still here. I don't think the VM will work though. But anyways, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Make sure to blame the London and Northeastern Railway for all your Windows problems. And I'm 7Zeb, and I'll see you in the next video.